Hello, good morning. We're talking about the X Smart Home Wireless Video Doorbell. We want to bring to you the surveillance property of this particular unique doorbell as we unbox this morning. So we're unboxing, we are opening it up to tell you more about what the product can do. When you open it up, what you see is a unique design, a design meant for your door, something when you open you look to see it has a special silver color laced with black and makes it dust proof. Kind of, when you see something like this at the door, you know it can last the test of time. So we're bringing you this to remind you of the security need for your family, for yourself, in your home. That special home you have designed, you need something unique where you can put at the door where people can get to be seen before they come in. This comes with this. At the same time, there are special kits. You find it at the corner piece of this box. You see they are unique kits, and you can see it's kind of how do I describe it? They have nuts, screws, and the rest of them to hook this up to the wall. So these are special tool set that comes with the doorbell. Then there's something special that comes alongside. There's a chime. It's called a chime. It comes also unboxed with 2 free batteries. Okay, you see something like this. These batteries are rechargeable. They're unique set lithium batteries, 3.8 amperes. And inside of it, you see the chime. As we unbox, you get to see what this chime is all about. It's very simple plug and play chime. See, that's what it looks like. You just plug it in. It has a unique switch here. You just plug it into the switch and voila, you do the connection. It also comes with its own manual. Okay, it comes with its own manual. Comes with its own manual. You can read up to know what to do. It's very easy to follow manual. Same with the doorbell. Easy to follow manual. Okay, you read it up and follow it through. Anybody can install this. Anybody, as long as you understand what is written inside there. And this is available for you right here on Agora, and at the same time we have made it available for the Doubting Thomases on Jumia too. So you can easily buy this. It's available for you. It's good for your family, it's good for your environment. When you have chains of houses, you can connect this to your phones and view them from wherever they are. As long as you have Wi-Fi in the network, with Wi-Fi network, your system can be connected to your phone at any time. Okay, when people come in there, it picks a picture. You can see there's a camera here. This is a camera. Okay, it picks them, and it has a sound system here where it speaks. At the same time, when you power it on, there's a blue, black stuff there that displays. Okay, it's easy to display. It's easy to hook up to the wall. When you open up this back panel, it exposes the inner part of the machine. You see there's a back panel. This back panel is what you need to connect to the wall. This is what connects the stuff to the wall. Okay, then you screw it in using the tools. So from here, so we're just talking about what we could do with this. Fixing it to the wall, as I said. This is a backstage. You hang it up to the wall like this before you can fit it in the camera. But there comes the chime. This is a simple chime. It easily connects. When you follow through with the manual, you get to understand it connects. You just need to plug this into a power source. And it's 230 volts, so there's no fear with that. Okay, it makes a noise. As long as you're in the house and someone pressed the doorbell, you get a ring like a normal doorbell. That's why it's a chime. So it's easy to use. You don't have to worry about what is or what could be. So, but what makes this doorbell unique? Why should you get it? It easily connects with Wi-Fi. So when it connects with Wi-Fi, there's a software, an app you download on your phone that will make it easier for you to communicate with this device from anywhere you are. So whoever comes, this camera picks the image of the person, the facial recognition system picks the image of the person, sends that image immediately down to your phone, and you get to see whoever is right there outside of your house. So it's easier for you to get to know who is gaining access into your premises. Okay? Now, don't you think this is a lovely piece of device? It's a wonderful gadget. It has everything you need. A complex surveillance system right in a little box, in a small box. A box you don't even expect should have such a thing. This is one of the good advantages of our present century. We really appreciate it if we get to have one of these in your house. It's easy to install. You don't have to worry about looking for a technician to fix it up for you. Very easy to install. You can easily use a battery, rechargeable battery like the ones I... So thank you guys for viewing this video. You get to see the things you get for the price of one. Okay? You get a full surveillance system. You don't need somebody coming to your house to set up a CCTV installation. This alone can secure you and can help you with the neighborhood watch. Okay? And most of the devices you get don't come with all these things all in. It's kind of like they're separated. So you get the chime, you get rechargeable batteries, you get the device itself, the doorbell, you get the tool set, okay? And you have proper manuals upon which you can use to